This video is for every introvert who is tired of being everyone's emotional support animal. People say you should just be nice and go with the flow. Cool, except the flow is exhausting and full of people who don't shut up. Here's my take. You don't need to be nicer. You need boundaries and maybe lock on your front door. I used to say yes to everything. Now I say no without blinking and I sleep like a cat on melatonin. In this video, I will give you 5 brutally honest and practical ways to set boundaries as an introvert without guilt, without essays, and without losing your mind. Let's go! Tip number 1. No is a full sentence and you don't need a PowerPoint to say it. You ever get that message like, "Hey, can you come to this thing?" And your soul just leaves your body. Yeah, that's me. Every time. I used to think I had to give a full report, like I was talking to a judge. Exhibit A, my stress. Exhibit B, my calendar. Exhibit C, my fake excuse that sounds just believable enough. But guess what I learned? No is a complete sentence. You don't need a PowerPoint. You don't need to fake cough. You don't even need your therapist to co-sign in. Just say no. Or if you are feeling bold, nope, not happening. And then just move on. Don't wait for their reply. Don't overthink the emoji. Don't spiral into guilt. Because here's the thing. You are not a customer service rep for other people's expectations. You are not Amazon. You don't owe anyone same-day delivery on your time and energy. And the people who get mad when you say no, they were counting on you not having boundaries. Think about that. When I started saying no like I meant it, I felt powerful and I just hit unfollow on guilt. And you know what happened? Nobody died. The world kept turning and I had a peaceful Friday night with my blanket and snacks. So try it. Say no. Don't explain. Just enjoy the silence that follows. Every time you do it, an introvert somewhere gets their energy back. Probably me. Tip number 2. Protect your alone time like it's your Wi-Fi password. Your alone time is not a hobby. It's not a cute little break. It's survival mode. It's the oxygen mask on the plane. So treat it like your Wi-Fi password. Private and protected. And definitely not shared with just anyone who walks in and asking for it. You don't owe anyone your weekend or evening or your freaking lunch break. If someone hits you with, "You are always cancelling, you never come out anymore," like that, that's not feedback. That's a guilt trip with glitter on it. You are not missing out. You are recharging. You are choosing peace over drama, snacks over noise, silence over group selfies with forced smiles. Let them think you are boring. Let them talk. You are busy enjoying the night that doesn't drain the life out of you. You ever notice how people act like alone time is selfish but demanding your time isn't? Double standards much. You are not rude for setting boundaries. They are rude for ignoring them. And honestly, if they get mad that you needed space, they weren't respecting you in the first place. They were just benefiting from your burnout. Now picture this. You are in your PJs. Blanket burrito mode. Your phone lights up. Wanna come out? We are all here. You pause. You breathe. You almost say yes out of habit. But then you remember your peace, your snacks, your sweet pants, and your reply, "Not tonight." Then you mute the group chat and hit play on your comfort show like a true boundary setting legend. Tip number 3. You don't owe anyone an immediate reply. You are not an emergency hotline. I used to feel bad for replying late, like I was breaking some sacred texting law. If someone texted me at 8:01 p.m., I would panic, thumb hovering and overthinking every emoji. But not anymore. Because guess what? I am not an emergency hotline. I am not tech support. And I definitely don't run a 24/7 response center. Your phone is not a leash. Notifications are not tiny bosses yelling at you. They are just buzzers, not contracts. You don't owe anyone a ping pong conversation. You don't owe anyone your evening energy. because they got bored and remembered you exist. Here's what I do now. I answer when I want, when I have the energy, when I'm not in a deep scroll session of cat videos and existential dread. Sometimes I leave people on read, and you know what? The world doesn't explode. They survive. I survive better. You ever notice how people freak out when you don't reply fast? Like, are you okay? Bro, I am literally just tired of talking. If your battery gets to recharge overnight, mine does too. Except mine isn't plugged into a wall, it's plugged into silence. I even put my phone on Do Not Disturb now, and it's glorious. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Let me tell you what happened last week. I was binge watching this weird show about competitive marble racing. Don't judge. Someone texted me, "Hey, where are you? Are you coming out?" I saw it. I laughed, put the phone down, and went back to watching blue marble destroy red marble like a boss. Replied the next day like, "Oh, sorry, I was busy." Which was true. I was busy being happy. So, set the digital boundaries. No text during recharge hours. No guilt for leaving messages unanswered. No explanations for ignoring the group chat full of memes, chaos, and one guy always saying vibes. You are not rude, you are just on call. Tip number 4. If someone get mad at your boundaries, they are probably the reason you need them. You ever notice who gets the most mad when you set a boundary? Yeah, it's always the person who was benefiting from you, not having one. They will call you cold, difficult, my personal favorite, you have changed. Damn right, I have changed. I finally stopped being a doormat. Listen, if someone throws a tantrum just because you said no or ask for space, they are not hurt, they are exposed. They are mad because they can't control you anymore. They are mad because they can't steamroll you like it's 2020 and you didn't know better. You are not mean for having boundaries. You are not too sensitive. You are finally putting up walls where people used to walk in uninvited. Let them pout. Let them twist your words. Let them throw shades in group chats. You set the rule. You keep the rule. They can be mad in the corner with their bad energy. Now picture this. You have got this one friend. You know, the one who always wants last minute plans and talks over you, borrows your stuff and never returns it. Classic energy vampire. So one day you tell them, "Hey, I need to stick to plans I have made in advance. No more random drop-ins." Boom, instant drama. Wow, so I guess we are not friends anymore. You are acting brand new. Yep, brand new with boundaries and inner peace. You sip your tea, turn off your notifications, and move on with life. Let them be mad. You have got better things to do, like existing peacefully. Tip number 5. Practice makes it less awkward eventually. Setting boundaries is not a Disney movie. There is no magical soundtrack, no glowing transformation. It's just awkward. The first time you do it, your voice will shake, your hands might sweat, your brain will scream, abort mission, like that. And still, you have to say it. Like, "Hey, please don't show up uninvited anymore." Like that. Then smile like you mean it. And even if your soul is hiding under a table. First time I said no to someone's invite, I thought I was gonna throw up. My thumb hovered over send for 12 minutes. And when I finally hit it, I shut my phone off like it was cursed. But here's the thing, it gets easier. The second time, you don't sweat as much. The third time, your voice come out steady. By the fifth time, you are saying no while heating up your leftovers and humming a tune. Fake the confidence. Pretend you are the CEO of Inner Peace Inc. Stand tall even if your stomach is flipping like it's auditioning for Cirque du Soleil. Because the more you do it, the less it feels like a fight and more it feels like a freedom. Eventually, you will stop rehearsing the boundary 10 times in your head. You will stop apologizing in your tone. You will say what you mean and enjoy the silence that follows. Awkward at first, empowering absolutely. So yeah, setting boundaries is awkward at first, but being drained for 24/7 is worse. You learned how to say no, protect your alone time, ignore text without guilt, spot red flags in loud reactions, and practice until it feels easy. You are not too quiet, you are just done performing. Let people be confused. Let them be mad. Let them talk. You are busy living peacefully, like a true introvert with a locked door and a full battery. You earned this. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you do, I will consider inviting you to my next non existent party. Peace out.